Every once in a while, a product comes along that changes the way we live, changes our perspective, and ultimately changes our lives. Introducing Linden, the first premium cutlery in a food-grade stainless steel case. With a nature-driven, unique design inspired from the leaf shape. Linden is your personal cutlery, set for all your meals wherever you go. Get your own personal Linden. Easy to carry, compact design, and most importantly, stylish. Join the movement of bringing your own cutlery and complement your meal with Linden. Save the environment by ending inconvenient single-use plastic. Stay safe. Say no to plastic. And Linden Cutlery makes a perfect gift for someone special. Linden comes in a stunning protective case that promises to turn heads wherever it's seen. You can as well enjoy your favorite snacks using the Linden case. Extensive efforts made by all of us to create this unique value-for-money product that we're proud of and you deserve to receive.
We've created Linden to make your dining experience safer, more enjoyable, and save our environment by ending single-use plastics. We're so excited to bring this product into life with your absolute support. Please back us so we can proceed into the production process. Thank you.